Hi, Alex here from Rebeloper.com and welcome back to this extensions tutorial series. And today we are going to talk about another awesome navigation extension, and that is to hide the background of our navigation item. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So in the previous episode, we have created this pop to left or a push from left navigation, let's say transition, and we had our navigation bar. But what if we wanted to change that navigation bar to be transparent entirely? So let me just build and run and show you what we have achieved. And basically we want to get rid of this grayish stuff. Okay, maybe just want to have these buttons and the navigation title, who knows. And today we are going to do just that. Okay, and it is pretty straightforward. Let's go to extensions, and this will be also a really short tutorial video, not typical of the channel, but here we have our hide navigation item and background, and I'm just going to paste the code in and go through it with you line by line. Okay, we set the background image of our navigation bar to be UI image for UI matrix default, but basically we add in a default UI image, an UI image that isn't actually an image. We set the shadow image the same way, and we set is translucent to be true, and we set the view's background color to be clear. Now we need to have all of these four in place to get rid of, let's say, the background of the navigation item. Now you could tweak and test, but believe me, this will save you a ton of time. Okay, now what we need to do is go to navigation view controller, and once we set up our navigation here, let's say we set the navigation title, and what we want to do here is type in a navigation controller, and I believe it was, let's see, what was the name of the extension again? Hide navigation item background. Hide navigation item background, and that is it. So let's build and run again and see the magic happen. There we go. No navigation item background, and to prove it we are going to push from right, and as you can see the whole let's say window, you can see the whole window. We don't have that navigation gray at all. So let's go back and push from left, just so you can see. Here we have everything is green. Pop to left, there we go. And that is how easy it is to have, let's say, a transparent or let's say a hidden navigation item background. It's kind of a mouthful, but that's what it is in your apps. Now if you are interested in this push from left extension, go ahead and take a look at the previous video, and if you like this one, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to get notified of new videos that I put up. And there is still one last video in this tutorial series, and that is, let me just check here, it is about the application, and we are going to get the topmost view controller, and we will see that in the next video.